This is a used 2007 Lincoln Navigator, powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a sunroof, leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.